Hello friends, please, like, share and subscribe my channel, How to Fix It. Hi friends, in this tutorial, you will learn, what is an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step process for solving the problem. Let's look at an example for algorithm. Here, problem is we need to write an algorithm for shopping on MG Road for buying shoe on Bata Showroom. Let's write an algorithm. First, we need to break down the task into steps. Step 1, walk to the first shop on MG Road. Step 2, check if this is the Bata Showroom. Step 3, else, go to the next shop. Repeat step 2. Step 4, if yes, we enter into the shop, and asking the required shoes. Step 5, buy and come back. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment your opinion about this video.